friends, I have another challenge for you. Are you ready for it? Here it goes. Find a piece of grass about this thick. Put it between your thumbs like so. This might take just a little bit of practicing. Try to hold it loosely so there's a little space on either side. And go ahead and give it a blow. And make a noise like that. That's so much fun. See if you can give it a try. It might take some practice. Good luck. Okay, Sam's gonna try. Oh, but to put it between your thumbs right here, Sam. So open up your hands. You gotta open up your hands and put it in between your thumbs. Right at the edge there. There you go. Okay, and hold it loosely. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, super practicing. Keep it kind of loose on your thumbs. And keep on practicing. Oh, that was a close. Give it a whirl. Okay, Sam. Give it a blow. Yay! He did it! Nice job, Sam. Great practicing. Whoa! How do you feel after your hard work and all that practicing? Whoa! That was a good toot. How do you feel, Sam, after all your hard work and practice? Super. Okay, let's see if Slay can do it. Put it between your fingers really tight. Okay, let's see. Okay, and blow. Harder.
Come on.
Put it nice and tight. Okay, let's see if she can do it. Come on, Slay, you can sure do it. Almost. Okay, between your fingers, try it again, nice and tight. Slay's trying a new piece of grass. That other one didn't work very well. Let's see if she can get this.
Make it flat.
Make it flat between your fingers. And blow where your thumbs have a little opening right there. Okay.
I hope this works.
Yay! She did it!
This is
Super
harder than
job.
it looks.
Super job, Slay. Great practicing. 2 thumbs up. 1, 2.